In stanza 5 of the poem A Boat Beneath a Sunny Sky, the poet feels a sigh of relief. There's a thought that comforts him. Let's find out what that thought is. He says, "Children yet the tale to hear, eager eye and willing ear, lovingly shall nestle near." Here, he's talking about the children of future generation. He's saying that Alice might have lost her innocence, might have lost her childhood, but he will get to see that innocence again in the children of the future generations. And here he is also giving a reference to his book Alice's Adventures of Wonderland. If you would remember, we have already discussed that when they were in a rowing boat, the girls demanded a tale from Charles, and then he told them a story. Later, he wrote that story into a book as Alice's Adventures of Wonderland. In that book, he has expressed the simplicity of his dear friend Alice, and he feels relieved that there is still hope for other children, children of the future generations to come. He says, "Children yet the tale to hear, eager eye and willing ear, lovingly shall nestle near." Children yet refers to the children of the future generation. The tale to hear, eager eye and willing ear. This means that they will love to read his book Alice's Adventures of Wonderland, and the children of the future generation will also be eager. They will also be willing, just like the little sisters. They will love to hear that tale, and with same willingness that little sisters had shown when they were on that picnic. Just like the little sisters, the children of future generation will also love to hear the tale of Charles, and this comforts him. There's hope that innocence will be preserved in the children of the future generation. This hope for future generation of young children to read his book comforts him. It gives him a sigh of relief. The stanza of the poem reflects hope. But this hope does not last for long, as the sadness returns to the poet, and we can see that in the next stanza of the poem. He says, "In a wonderland they lie." Here he is talking about the children of the future generation. He says that in a wonderland they lie. Here he is talking about the wonderland he has created in his book, and when the children will read that book, that wonderland will stay with them for a long time. Dreaming as the days go by, the children will be dreaming about that wonderland for a long time to come, and dreaming as the summers die. They will be dreaming about that wonderland in the summers. Summer, as I have already discussed, is a pleasant time. It's a happy and cheerful time. They will be dreaming about that wonderland in the summers, means in their childhood. But eventually the summers will die. This means that the childhood of those children will also be over. One day they will also grow up and become adults. They will also lose their childhood and innocence. And this realization of the reality saddens the poet again. He realizes that eventually summers will die at some point of time. This means that childhood of even the future generation children is going to be over, and they too will grow up just like little sisters. They too will go away from him, and he will be left all alone in the end. This thought saddens him.